In this video, we will be reviewing how to issue a corrective action, review the email as a responsible person, close the corrective action as a responsible person, and finally review the response email as the auditor. In this case, we have a requirement asking about hairnets. We found this to be non-conforming with a finding that one server was not wearing a hairnet. We've attached a supporting photograph, and now we will need to issue a corrective action. And in this case, we're going to ask the responsible person to enforce hairnet usage. By default, the system will push this 1 week from today, but you can of course choose any day you like. So let's say Monday. This is due, and we're going to assign a responsible person. If this person doesn't already exist in this list, you're able to invite them by clicking on the drop-down selection here. In this case, we're going to make Luciano Ciccone the responsible person. This will send an email to the responsible person in real time asking them to close this corrective action. We'll go to my email now and review that corrective action request. Once receiving the email, you're able to click on Complete It in order to be taken directly to the question. So you can now review the requirement, the finding, the response, any supporting evidence, and as well the corrective action which you are tasked to close. In this case, we can say that hairnet usage has been enforced, and now this problem is complete. Of course, with more complex audits, more complex corrective actions and responses will become necessary. So once this corrective action has been completed, an email will then get sent to the auditor indicating that the corrective action has been done. The email will look something like this. So the corrective action will be indicated as completed, as well as the note that the responsible person has left at that time. With this information, you can make the determination as to whether the corrective action is acceptable or needs to be undone and the whole process started over. If you have any questions, please reach out to info@mnemonic.com, and happy auditing.